Hey guys, how's it going? This is Lamar Eugene coming to you from Piano Boulevard. Today I'm going to be showing you the second song from my series, Easy Worship Songs in the Key of B Flat for Beginners. This is The Air I Breathe. Now, if you haven't watched and practiced the first song in the series, just click on the link below and watch it, because we're going to be using the same chords that we used in I Give Myself Away in this one. Plus, I'm going to be starting you guys off with a very simple transition that's going to make your playing sound a lot better. Alright, let's go ahead and get to it. Now, just a reminder, B flat is 1, 2, 3, 4 is a half, 5, 6, 7, 8 is a half. Now, that transition that I talked about, we're going to start off with the 4 chord that we talked about from last time. That's the E flat major second inversion. Okay? The next chord is going to be the 5 major chord, that F major. And then the last chord is going to be our 1 chord, which is just simply the B flat major third inversion. Now, if you're a complete beginner, you may want to take some time and practice going between that 4 major and 5 major just to get it comfortable. And then practice going back and forth between the 5 major and the 1, just so that it's comfortable and very easy. And then when you have all 3 of them, go ahead and put them all together, because you want to be able to do this very easy as we move throughout the song. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to pause the video and practice those 3 chords with the right hand, and then come back and I'll give you the left hand to make sure that you can do it comfortably. Alright, I'm assuming that you paused it. Let's go ahead and get the left hand. The left hand is going to start off with the 6, that's going to be a G in the bass. Then we're going to go to the A, and then we're going to go to the 1, which is our B flat. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead and get off into the song. So the song starts off on the 1, and then it's going to go to the 4, all over the 1 bass. Very, very simple. This is the air I breathe. This may be a little bit fast, but this is the air I breathe. Okay, so here comes the next part, the 1. We're going to go down to a in the bass, but we're going to have that same 5 major. We're going to go to a 6 in the bass over the 1 chord that we just had, that F, B flat, D, to the 5 major. Now I'm going to give you guys a new chord, okay, and it's really going to set you up. The fingering of it is going to set you up for some things that we may want to do later. But if you look at where the 5 major is, we're going to, you see this pointer here, we're going to play that G, and this A is going to go up to a B flat, and we're going to lose that C. And we're going to go to a 4 in the bass, that E flat in the bass. So you do want to make sure you stop and practice that to get familiar with that. Make sure that that's easy for you. Okay, so we have the 1, your holy presence, to the 5, go to that new 4, living, to the 6, right, with the 1 chord, in me, to the 5. Then we're going to do our transition back to our 1. Okay, so in context of the song, we have the your holy presence, to the 5, to that new 4, living, 6, 1 chord, in me, to the 5 major. Then we're going to do the transition, and we're just going to repeat that same thing. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. This is my daily bread. Back to the 1. This is my daily bread. We're going to walk down. Your very word. 5 major, spoken, 6, in me, transition, and okay, so listen guys, we've already done it. All we're gonna do is the same walk down, B flat to the A with the 5 major, to the 5 major, I'm desperate for. 4 is gonna be 4 for you, to the 6. Then to the 5, the same thing we did, transition, and to the 5, to you to the 6 to the 5, and then we're going to do the transition back to the 1. And then you're basically at the top of the song repeating "This Is the Air Breathe." Guys, that is all there is to this song. Very, very simple. Now I can't leave you without giving you this tag. They always throw this little tag on here at the end of the song, and to the 5, I'm desperate for you. 4 to the 6 to the 5. We're gonna go back to the 4. I'm lost without you. To the 6 to the 5. I'm desperate. That is all there is to the song. When you get ready to end it, I'm gonna give you 2 different endings. You can do the transition and go back to your 1, and you can end it there. I don't really like that one. If I was playing, I wouldn't end it there, but you can. What I would do, I'm desperate for you to the 6 to the 5. This is how I would do it. I would do this right here. Okay? That's how I would end it. Now what I did is I'm desperate for you. That's the 4 to the 6 to the 5. What I did is I simply hit the 5. I went to the 1 chord with the 3 in the bass. I have that D in the bass, and I ended on the 4. Now, if you're paying attention, you notice I kind of left that pinky in there. That's really how I would really like to do that 4 chord in specific instances. So desperate for you, 3, and I would end it right there. Guys, that's it for this one. Again, this is Lamar Eugene from Piano Boulevard. And guys, remember, the key to greatness is simple. Practice, practice, and practice. Play what you know, because you know what you're playing. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.